What's there? Rocket?
Rocket, crane, helicopter, dump truck, train, motorcycle, there's a bus, there's a boat, there's a boat, there's a
Submarine! Yay!
Yeah. What's this side?
What's on that side?
Sun,
Yeah?
bird, people, boy,
It's a dog.
Dog.
Yeah.
boy,
Uh-huh.
dog, monkey, and giraffe, elephant, turtle, Nemo.
Yay!
What's this side?
What's on that side? All the letters? What's down here? B?
B.
What's a B say?
D. D. D.
So what's a C? How about D?
D.
E?
A.
F? G?
G.
H? I? What's
Yeah.
J?
J.
K? L?
O.
M? N?
Mm.
O?
A.
P? Q?
K.
R? S? T?
D. T.
U?
U. A.
V? W?
U.
X? Y?
Yeah.
And Z.
C.
Yay!
What's this
What's
side?
on that side?
Yeah.
What's that number?
1, 2.
Okay, you want to do it? Go ahead.
1, 2. Oh no, I did that.
That's okay. It's still okay.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10.
Yeah! Yay! Yay! High five! High five again! And a yay! Wonderful, Richard. What's over on that side again? You gonna do something again on this side? Huh?
Rocket,
Yeah.
rocket, crane, jump truck. Oh no, I did that. I did that. Pumbaa and that. Find it.
Yeah.
Rocket, crane, gay,
Helicopter.
helicopter, piggy,
Piggy?
dump truck,
Uh-huh.
dump, gay, chin. Oh, I did that. Be
You
careful.
have to be careful, you'll knock them over.
Oh, knock it over.
You're doing good.
Rocket, crane, helicopter, dump truck, train, motorcycle. Hey, that's my motorcycle.
Yeah?
Motorcycle, there's a bus, there's a buggy, there's a boat, there's a ring.
Submarine!
Yes! High five!
High five again! Yay! Yay!
What's this side?
What's on that side?
No number.
No, numbers are over there. Which one do you want to do? The numbers?
No,
You want to do the letters?
this one.
Want to do the letters again?
A,
Okay.
A,
Uh-huh. What's next? B?
B,
Uh-huh.
B.
Okay, what's next? C? What's C say? Very good. How about next? D?
D.
Very good. E.
Ah.
And then there's an F. Yeah. G. G. You already did the G, yeah? G. No, that's that. Yeah. H. Yeah. I. What's I?
E.
E. E. J.
J.
What's J? Like what word? Like. And then what's next? K. L.
O.
And then M.
Mm.
And then N.
Mm.
O.
Ah.
P. Q.
Q. K.
Yep. R.
R.
S. T.
T.
What's T sound? Yeah.
E.
Yeah.
E.
how about U?
U. E.
V.
V.
V. W.
What?
X.
Oh no, fire.
It's not too bad. Yeah. Y.
Yeah.
And then Z. You did them again, Richard.
Yay! High five!
You're just amazing, amazing.
Woohoo! Like this side.
What's on that side? The numbers. They start at the top.
Top.
Yep. What's on the top up there? What number is that?
A.
No, it's a number.
Number.
Yeah, what's a number? 1.
1.
Yeah.
Like this side.
What's the next one?
Top.
What is that? What comes after 1?
3.
Oh, 3 doesn't come after 1.
1.
What comes after 1?
4.
4 doesn't come after 1. What number is that? Are you forgetting the numbers already?
No, say 1.
1.
No, say 1.
Here's a 1.
This one.
What's,
No, this
which one's that? Do you know what that one is? Hmm?
Papa, pay tire.
What? Yo! You're tired of that game already?
No, this time again.
You want to build the tower again?
Yeah, I got that.
Okay.
When Nemo go, Papa.
Oh, there's the octopus over there. He goes first.
No, no picture.
Okay.